everyone, welcome back to our channel City Closers. I hope everyone is doing good. So yes, today we are not here to capture any of the property tour, but rather we would discuss and we would give some inputs to our viewers, to our real estate buyers. And the topic which we will be talking today is very important for each and everyone, whoever is planning to buy the property. So let me reveal the topic which is, now we will discuss about is RERA. I hope each and everyone would have heard about RERA, right? So this is a real estate regulatory authority which was built in 2013, and then due to the because of our government it was cleared by 2015. So the bill was passed in 2015 and 2016 it was implemented. And due to this RERA, lot of home buyers have got the benefit. Lot of small builders have started implementing all the laws and whatever the the law and the regulatories has to be followed up. They have also followed up. So because of this RERA, many people have been benefited. Be it buyers, be it builders, or be it small time builders or investors, everyone is into the right and a safe hands in today's real estate market. So let's talk that what was the need of RERA, right? So before, what was happening is, before RERA, the builders used to never implement the rules and regulations, right? They used to not follow the completion time. They never used to follow up the the construction targets or something, whatever has to be followed up. So nobody was having a clear picture that when the project has to complete, what kind of rules we have to follow, or what has to be benefited for the customers also. So that was not there. But yes, after RERA came into the picture, it has been a very much important that each and every builder has to follow some certain rules. And the buyers are also very much comfortable. So today, whenever we talk to any of the home buyer, the first question they ask, is this RERA approved? Can you just imagine why they ask? Because they know that if the project is approved by RERA, that means the home buyer is in the right hand. Why they feel like that? Because they know that the builder will follow the rules and regulations. The possessions will not be delayed, and the right material will be used. All the setup, setbacks and everything will be followed up into the picture. So this was the need of RERA, right? Now let's talk that how after RERA, how it has been beneficial for the home buyers. Previously, as I said, what used to happen, there is no timeline, there is no proper communication that the project will complete within so much time, right? If the builder says that it will complete by 2017, it never used to happen. End of the day, what happened is, who has to bear? The home buyer has to bear. They don't have any regularity, they don't have any high authority where they can go and complain about the builder. So now what happens is, if the builder says that yes, we will complete this particular project within so and so time, they have to complete. And above that, RERA will also give a certain timeline. Example, 6 months of buffer will be given. So the home buyers are really peaceful. They are not in a that panic situation that okay, the project will not get complete. After RERA, the most beautiful thing what we have faced, I mean we have noticed, is transparency has come. So yes, the documents are transparent. People cannot play around, builders cannot play around anywhere. Why? Because to check whether any project is approved by RERA, it is very simple. There is a Karnataka RERA website. So what home buyers can do, just log into that website. They can check whether this particular project name is there or not there. If the project is there, that means the project is approved by RERA and all the parameters will be followed up in the right direction. So this was the more beneficial to the the home buyers. So to talk more on the RERA, it is really very beneficial for our home buyers because after RERA came into the picture. Okay, the proper standardized carpet area is being utilized. Before, there was no clarity, like what is the built up area, what is the super built up area, and how much is the carpet area. So RERA has set some targets that this much is the usable area has to be, and all the builders are following up that. Also, the benefit of this is, like like any problems are there, any grievances are there, it has to be immediately answerable by the builder. So even though builders are very much reliable, that any problem is there, they are there to support to the home buyers. So yes, in today's topic, this was all about RERA. I hope this small information could be a very much important to you. And also, let me tell you that the City Closers channel will be coming up with one topic every week. We will try to cover up all the important topics in our videos along with the home tours. Yes, so this is the first topic which we are covering up, and we would love to listen from we would love to listen from you guys, like any corrections or any suggestions are there. If you like it, if you didn't like this video, please do comment, so that we can probably work on that, because we really want to get more and more topics. So we would like to get more interactions with our home buyers, because the buyers, when they reply on our video, we definitely feel that the video which we are uploading, it's really beneficial for you guys. So we would love to listen from you, and thank you so much for watching this video from your busy schedule. So yes, if in case you have any doubts on RERA or any other topic of real estate, you can please do give us a call. We would love to guide our home buyers. And if in case you're looking for any property in Bangalore, Mysore or Hyderabad, we are there to support you at any sort of knowledge, or any support of guidance can be given without any brokerage. So yes, thank you so much for watching this video. And if in case you have not subscribed our channel, please do that, so that you can be the first one to watch our any upcoming video. You will be definitely getting every week at least one video on the real estate topics along with the property tours. Thank you so much.